I know. I'm scared too, Crypto. Hi, everybody. This is KJ with Truly Remarkable Life, and we are cleaning out our storage building. We have a lot of stuff to go through.
One, two, three, shaping this destiny.
Where did this stuff even come from?
It multiplies.
I mean, I remember going to this musical, but did we actually buy a coffee mug?
Apparently. We spend so much money on things that we don't even know.
And a matching shot glass.
It was a good idea at the time.
Apparently it was. We need to stop having good ideas. Hey, Bubba, we're going to put you on eBay. You want to go on eBay?
And there he goes. Okay.
Whoa. So, somebody went to a Cher concert. It's actually a really nice heavy-duty shirt.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah. Farewell Tour 2002. Was that her first or fourth farewell tour?
It was the third.
The third?
She's on her 12th.
Okay.
Yeah, never been worn.
Yeah, it's never been worn. It's brand new. I mean, these things are going for what, like $75, $80?
Uh-huh, on eBay.
Yeah.
So you just can't throw this stuff away. You got to go through it and see what it is you got. And
Right, and then try to see if you can sell it. But limit yourself. This is something I've learned from selling a lot of stuff on eBay or any of those kinds of sites. Limit yourself to how long you plan on posting it. Because sometimes things that you think will sell just aren't going to sell, and then you're going to end up paying to store stuff on the off chance that you might be able to sell it someday. I recommend setting yourself a time, post it, and if you can't get rid of it by then, donate it. There are plenty of people out there in need that will use the stuff that you're not going to use anymore.
well, I'll tell you what. If I had it to do over again, like if I could turn back time, I wouldn't have bought it.
Yeah, that's the other thing that we have learned from going through and really downsizing so much as we have in the last couple of years is it makes us very conscientious about buying new stuff. You know, we see things and we're like, oh, that's so cool, or da-da-da. And it's like we stop and go, wait a minute. Is it something we need? Or is it just something that we're wanting in the moment? And then, go home and give it some time. If a few days later or a few weeks later, you're like, I really wish that we would have bought that. Go back and get it. It's not going anywhere.
You have a Tigger in your ear.
Have a Tigger in my... Tigger.
Yeah, so for me, today was like letting go of the past because I had my old couch, which I love. Great couch, paid a lot for it back in the day. It was the first real piece of furniture I ever picked out on my own and had it for years. Still in great condition. Don't need it. And I don't understand what's up with the people today, but people who make minimum wage somehow are willing to go out and buy brand new couches for $1,000 rather than buy one on Facebook Marketplace for $50. So I don't get it, but you know what? That's the marketplace today. So it went to Goodwill, and maybe it'll get a good home, and the money will go to a good cause, and I can let go of something that's weighing me down.
Okay, so now let's figure out what we're going to keep, what we're going to get rid of, and where the stuff that we decide to keep is going to live.
We're going to keep that little furry thing down there.
Yeah, I think we might keep him. He doesn't take up much space.
No, he's showing us.
Yeah, he does.
He's like, look, I'm small.
Look, I'm smaller than the bed.
So that's what we're up to.
Yeah, so that's what we're up to today.
Busy, busy.
Busy.
Get back to work.
One, two, three, shaping this destiny.